Guys, please check your audio and video settings. Everyone, please check your audio and video settings, please. Yes, I'm a co-host, boys. You can send messages to me as a co-host. Yes, guys. I think it's been 3, 4 days back to back. We got multiple problems. Yes, last two classes are very badly missed. Yes, no problem. We'll study one interesting concept, boss. Very, very interesting concept. That is hibernate filters. Not so popular, but concept is very interest. In the interview, they may ask the questions. Hibernate filters. I'll give one small example, boss. Very small example. Whenever I write any query on my table, certain records should be implemented automatically, should be ignored automatically to participate in the query execution, having some implicit conditions. Simply having some implicit conditions. And such conditions you can develop with the support of Hibernate filters. I'll give one use case. Whenever I perform list operation or select operation on bank table or accounts table, I don't want to see blocked accounts. What accounts? Blocked accounts, closed accounts. Okay, blocked accounts, closed accounts, and not participating, freezed accounts. Are a blocked, freezed one and the same. Yeah, fine. So I don't want to see people blocked accounts and closed accounts participating in that query execution. Are you understanding? That means I want to have implicit conditions on the queries. I would like to apply what? Implicit conditions on the queries. So at that time, we have to think about preparing those implicit condition with the support of Hibernate filters. Simply with the support of which concept? Hibernate filters. Okay. HB filter is a named parameterized parameterized global condition that can be enabled or disabled on HB session object. HB session object. This concept is very useful. Okay, very useful to execute SQL queries. with implicit conditions. With what conditions? Implicit conditions. To execute SQL queries with implicit condition. Use case. Use cases. Use case. The blocked comma, closed accounts should not participate, in any queries execution. In any queries execution. Yeah, tell me, when you close the account in the bank here, they will delete the record or they will make it make status as closed. When you close the account in the bank, do you really think they will delete the account? No. When you block the account, do you really think they will delete the record? No. They will make status as closed. They will make status as closed. I hope everyone got the point there or not there. Super. Note. In real practice, the blocked comma closed accounts will not be deleted from database table, but their status their status will be marked as closed or blocked. This is called soft deletion. What deletion was? Soft deletion. Deletion, but not hard deletion. Physically, it will not be deleted. Softly, it will be deleted. I hope you are understanding my point. They will not be moved to other tables also. They will be there in the same table, but they don't participate in any execution. Soft deletion. It looks like deleted, but actually not deleted. They are marked. Their status is marked. Okay. If you want to bring such conditions, tell me, these blocked and closed accounts should participate in every query execution? No, should not participate. Should not participate means one condition should be applied for every query. So better to write that query one time or multiple times. Multiple times. Instead of writing that query every time, multiple time, better to develop one time as a parameterized condition so that they will be applied whenever you enable on the session object or not. I don't want to write such conditions every time with the query, but they should be applied. So better to write that query condition as a filter and enable filter on the session object. Simply enable filter on the session object. See this one? Hibernate filter is a named comma, parameterized comma, global condition that can be enabled or disabled on session object. This concept is very useful to execute SQL query with implicit conditions. Okay, you will see example, then you will get idea. So first of all, right, yesterday I formatted system here. Everything is going to be new now. New connection 1, username system, password manager, save password so it won't ask every time. Right, all the details are fine, connection is okay. Test connection status okay. Say connected. Now expand it. Yes, we are having tables. Oh, nothing is there. We lost all the tables, boss. Sorry to say. We don't have any previous tables. All only ready-made tables are there. No problem. New bank underscore account. Bank underscore account. Yes. Account number. PK. Number. Size 10. Fine. Next. Holder name. Holder name. Varchar 220. Next. Balance. Balance float. Nice. Next, status. You can have other columns also, but right now I'm worried about status. Status varchar 220. Save OK. Right, guys. Bank underscore account. Data tab plus symbol 1001 Rajesh. Balance is what? Some 40,000. Status active. Status active. Actually, these things will come through process, but I'm just trying to keep the records on. Manually I'm entering 1000 to Suresh. Okay, 50,000 or some number. Okay, blocked. Blocked. 3456 Naresh. Okay, some 30,000 active. 789. Okay, funny. 40,000 blocked. Okay, I will take closed. Closed. Blocked. Blocked. Array blocked. Deactivate. All are same now, boss. Okay. Say refresh. Yes, we have some records, boss. We have some records. Nice. So now, when I'm listing the accounts, I don't want to see blocked and closed accounts coming. When I am Modi announced 500 rupees in everyone's account, let us assume. Okay, I don't want to see that money deposited in what? Blocked and closed account. So that means whether I'm doing insert, update, delete, okay, any operation, select. I don't want to see blocked and closed account participating in what? Execution. That means every time you should write query with the condition. Or who will write the same condition for multiple times? That too, I'm looking that condition as an implicit condition. So then prepare that condition as a filter and link that filter with the session. So whenever you execute any query, this query condition will be applied automatically. This condition will be applied automatically. I hope you understood the basic thought process, guys. Everyone understood basic thought process. Okay, Modi somehow brought black money from Swiss bank, let us assume, and he decided to deposit 15 lakh rupees in each account. Let us assume he decided to deposit 15 lakh rupees in each account. Okay, fine. But that time the deposit should happen in everyone account, only on active accounts. Only on active accounts. That time implicit conditions are required or not required. Implicit conditions are required or not required. It's not like that money had not deposit money during lockdown for BPL people, below poverty line people. He has deposited per month 500 to 1,000 rupees, right? So that time he deposited only in active accounts or closed accounts also. Jandan accounts are there na. In Jandan accounts he has deposited money. So he has deposited money in active accounts. Before depositing, you want to know how many Jandan accounts are there. So in all the time, closed accounts and blocked accounts should participate in query execution? No. So that time Hibernate filter is going to be very bright feature or not there. Yeah, 2000 rupees for Kisan people. Yes, yes. Shall I develop that application, guys? Okay. Maven project. First, I'm going to teach with XML, then I will teach with what? This one. Maven hyphen archetype hyphen this one. Okay. Say next. What is the artifact ID? HB pros. Anyone remember number? What's the last number? 40. What's the last number? 43. Can I trust? 44. Can I take 44? 47. Someone says 48. Someone says 49. What's the correct number, boss? 47 completed. I should take 48. Am I right? 48 is the correct number. Okay. HB pros 48. HB filters. com.nt.test. It should be 49. 48 is reverse engineering. Fine. Okay, I will take 49. 49. First I'm teaching with XML stuff, boss. Okay. Procedure to work with Hibernate filters. Hibernate filters. Okay. Yeah, let me do both the things parallelly, guys. Reverse engineering, fine. Taking time to create the project. mvnrepository.com. Hibernate core. I didn't restore anything. I formatted, boss. Everything I formatted. Still taking time. Oh, it has given J2SC 1.5. Very older one it is giving. No problem. Right click, properties, project facets, Java 13. Java 13. Yes. Okay, archetype 1.1 is taken. That's why. Okay. Fine. Take the latest archetype, then this problem will not be there. Java compiler, guys. It is showing maximum 12. Oh, sorry. Maybe archetype issue, boss. No problem. Properties, Java build path. Oh, it's saying that JRE 1.3 is unbound, not unbound. We'll make it bound. Right. Add library, JRE system library, alternate 13, apply, okay. Alternate is 13, apply, okay. Actual archetype problem, so not a issue, guys. com.nt.test basic package has come. Basic package has come. Anyone tried Hyper? Anyone tried Hibernate reverse engineering, guys? Okay. When you say update again, it will go back to original one. Don't say update after changing it. So alternate JRE. Okay, 13. You just select the 13. Okay, fine, guys. Let's go to pom.xml. Regular jars here. We don't need any special jars here. Regular jars. Okay. Copy this. Copied. Say paste. Paste it. Yes to all. Close project. Don't worry about that red mark here. Nice. Okay, I think you practice reverse engineering. Enjoyed while working with reverse engineering. Video is also there. I have given procedure with the screenshots. com.nt.cfgs. Package. com.nt.entity. com.nt.entity. And I think from any package I can get util package. com.nt.utility. Anyhow, you should take it. Fine. com.nt.utility, you can paste it. Take this pom.xml, guys. Say paste. Yes to all. Yes to all. Yes to all. Hibernate util.java. Yes. Project class is not there. Okay, I'm going to have bank account class. Still not created. I'm going to create it. Bank account dot class. Okay, let me create a entity class called bank account, guys. Bank account. Fine. Bank account. What is the interface I should implement? Serializable. What's the interface I am taking? Serializable. Tell me. Public int. What is that? Public int. Employee number. No. What is the column? ACNO. Public string. Holder name. Public float balance. Public float balance. Public string status. Public string status. Public string status. Yeah. Lambak is not ready. Actually, since it is a new system, I can try once. Lambak API, but not right now. Okay. Alt plus Shift plus yes. Getter setters. This. Alt plus Shift plus yes and yes. To string method for display purpose. Control plus Shift plus O. Done, guys. Now I have to develop mapping file, boss. Mapping file, configuration file, all are regular, guys. Configuration file, yes, take it, paste it. Next, mapping file. Oh, we have taken other day with annotations. So mapping file I have to collect from other things. No mapping file anywhere. No mapping file anywhere, guys. I think in the backup also not there. Again, it takes time to go for it. Close browser, let it be. So let's create mapping file manually. Others, XML file, bank account dot HBM dot XML. Say next, say next, say finish. Say next, say next, say finish. Okay. Now we have to copy paste some DTD statements, guys. Let's copy paste some DTD statements. Here is E drive. Hibernate framework 5.2 project search for star.hbm.xml. Star.hbm.xml. Hibernate mapping class tag name is equal to com.nt.entity.bank account. Table is equal to bank account. ID tag ID is equal to ACNO. ACNO. Type is equal to int. Int long I have taken. According to example, it is int. I think you can take, if you are interested, you can take wrapper types also, as I said. Int. Property name is equal to holder name. Matching here. Property type. Okay. Length also you need not to configure. String. Property type is equal to, tell me, balance. Type is equal to float. Property name is equal to, come on, status. Type is equal to string. Type is equal to string. Bank account dot HBM dot XML. ID ready, property ready, balance ready, status ready. Yes, we are ready, boss. Okay, first step is, okay, if you want to write implicit conditions, first step is define filter, having name and parameters. You have to first define filter having name and parameters. How to write that? Okay, filter is there. Filter def is the tag. Name of the filter. Any name you can give. Filter underscore. Filter underscore. Filter underscore. Filter underscore. To give the filter, it's a filter. Any logical name you can give, boss. Any logical name you can give. I want to give it as an implicit condition, boss. Filter underscore bank account underscore. Okay, bank underscore account underscore status. Okay, some name, boss. Some name. Filter underscore bank account underscore status. Okay, nice. Filter parameter. Are how many parameters I want to take? Two parameters. Okay. What is this? Account to type one. Account type 1. What is the type of this one? String parameter. Account type 2. Array, that condition will have how many inputs? 2 inputs. That's why account type 2. What is that one? This one. To this one. Like this, you have to define filter name. Filter, you have to define a filter having name and parameter. Name and that means this filter is going to have 2 inputs. Okay, having 2 parameters. Parameter 1 is what? Account type 1. Parameter 2 is what? Account type 2. Yes. Copy this, copied. Come here, say paste. Where we are writing this one here? In mapping file. In mapping file after closing class tag. In mapping file after closing class tag. Yes, we define a filter, boss. Next, write filter condition. Filter condition for filter condition for entity class. Entity class to make it as implicit condition. To make it as implicit condition. To make it as implicit condition. Yes, at the end of everything, boss. Filter, here filter. One is to define a filter, this one. Okay, to apply condition, filter tag. To define a filter, filter if and def. To apply filter, filter tag. Okay, name of the filter. Take the same name. Yes, how you want to use this filter? How you want to use those parameters in the condition? Condition is equal to. Condition is equal to. Tell me what is the condition I should write here? Select star from bank account. Bank account. So which condition should be applied automatically? Any given condition should be applied, but these two type accounts should not participate in execution. Okay, not in. I want to get those accounts which are not in. What not in? Status not in. What is this? Status not in. Status not in. Status not in. Tell me, first parameter is what? Account type 1, comma. Second one is what? Second one is what? Account type 2. Account type 1, account type 2. As named parameters we are passing. This will apply as an implicit condition, guys. For every query you execute, especially insert, update, delete, this will be applied as implicit condition. You cannot take your choice parameter mass. Whatever parameters you have defined, same parameters you have to take it. So we are defining filter with parameters. Okay, here we are using that filter in the condition. Defining filter with name comma conditions. Sorry, with name comma parameters. Okay, applying filter condition. Applying filter condition. Defining filter with name comma parameters. Here we are applying filter condition. We are literally solidly applying what? Filter condition. I hope you got a clarity there or not there. Come on, guys. Status not in colon account type 1 colon account type 2. Colon account type 1 colon account type 2 slash. I hope you got a clarity there. Filter name, filter underscore bank account underscore status. Condition is equal to status not in colon account type 1 colon account type 2. In mapping file before class tag. In mapping file before class tag. Prepare filter condition. Tell me here, I'm preparing this condition where, guys? I'm preparing this condition where, guys? I hope you are understanding. I'm preparing these conditions. I'm preparing this condition where mapping file. Mapping file means it is specific to one session object or common for multiple session objects. Specific to one session object or common for multiple session objects. Come on. Common for multiple session. That means it has become global, parameterized. Yes, what is that? Hibernate filter is a named. Since it is there in mapping file, it can be used in multiple session object. That means global. Parameters also there, right? So it has become named, parameterized and global condition that can be enabled or disabled on session object. Yes. Step number 3. Okay. Enable filter on session object. Okay. Session object and set values to filter parameters. Set values to filter parameters before executing queries. Before executing queries. Before executing queries or persistence logic. Persistence logic either in DAO class or in client application. Either in DAO class or in client application. Yes. Let's see. New class. HB filter test. HB filter test underscore HQL. Using HQL environment, I want to test the filters. Yes, as usually get session. Session SCS is equal to hibernate util dot get session. We got the session object. Transaction TX is equal to null. Transaction TX is equal to null. Yeah, Tx is equal to session dot begin transaction when, if it is not already there. If not, session dot get transaction dot is active. If it is not active, prepare it. That's nice. Next one. Enable filter. Enable filter. Filter, there is a direct object boss. Filter one is equal to session dot enable filter. Session dot enable filter. What is the name of the filter, guys? What is the name of the filter? This is the filter. We have to specify the name of the filter. Session dot enable filter. Wrong package import has come. Make sure that Hibernate filter has come. Okay, which one? So many filters are there. Be careful. org.hibernate.filter, boss. Annotation filter is also there. Make sure that correct one is imported. Now, I enabled filter by specifying filter name. Somehow we got access to that filter. We got access to filter means we got access to condition. So we got access to condition. Set filter param values. Filter one dot set parameter. What is the param name? Filter one dot set parameter. Filter one dot set parameter. Account type one. Account type one. Which one you don't want to allow? Blocked. Blocked. Yes. Account type two. Closed. Account type two. Closed. Prepare and execute HQL. Prepare and execute HQL. What is this? Query is equal to session dot create query. Session dot create query. Tell me. From bank account. From bank account. Actually, I'm not writing any condition here. I'm not writing any condition, but implicitly that condition will be applied. Are you sure, sir? Yes, that's the beauty of this whole process. Query dot query. Fine. Now tell me here what is there. List bank account is equal to list. Query dot get result list. Yes, in filter, because of filter, implicit condition will be applied. Java dot util dot list. Fine. List dot for each. System dot out colon println. System dot out colon println. Okay. What's happening? List dot for each. System dot out dot println. Oh, I have to change JRE to 1.8. Yeah, I should take the support of Java environment. Yes, guys. Next, Hibernate exception. HE dot print stack trace. Finally, close JDBC, close objects, close HB objects. Session will be closed automatically. Hibernate util dot close session file. Yes, here no condition, but Hibernate filter condition will be applied automatically. because that will act as implicit condition. Okay, not only on this query, using this session object, you are executing 10 queries, and every query this will be applied as a implicit condition. Sir, if other conditions are already there, one extra condition, filter condition will be extra condition. Hibernate exception, no such filter configured, filter underscore bank account underscore status. No such filter is configured. Huh? How come here? How come it can say like that? How come it can say like that? I will tell. I will tell. I will tell. Mistake is mine. Go to hibernate util.java. Right now we are not dealing with annotations, boss. So we have to add mapping file. Add XML. com slash nt slash entity slash bank account dot hbm dot xml. Deprecated no longer support. Maybe they deprecated in support to annotations, boss. They might have deprecated in order to encourage to work with what? Annotations. Anyhow, we are learning both XML and annotations. Don't worry. Okay. Com slash nt slash entity slash this. Hibernate filters. No such filter configured. Ayo. No such filter configured. It's not recognizing that filter at all. Filter underscore bank underscore status. Right only na. Right only, right only, right only. No such filter configured. Is it recognizing mapping file? That's the question. Hibernate util.java. First of all, go to configuration file, guys. First of all, go to configuration file. Okay, all these are related to this. Pom.xml, everything is fine. Dialect. Connection obtained from JDBC connection provider auto commit this. C3P0 working, that's not an issue. No such filter configured. No such filter configured. Why so? Go to mapping file. So only two things are there. I configured them, status, condition. Right. That's nice, guys. Yeah, whatever condition are there. Why it is not recognizing filter, guys? Line number 24. Filter one dot enable. Did I import correct filter object? Yes. Filter object is also correct. Filter underscore bank underscore account underscore status. Oh, what's happening, guys? Let me save this. Still error only. Add resource. Okay, maybe you have not added this one properly. What is the method? Add resource is there. Oh, it's my mistake then. Com slash nt slash entity slash what is that? Entity slash employee dot, not employee, bank account dot hbm dot x. Yes, guys. Yeah, method is not add XML, method is that. See, table created, actually table is already there. Did I apply this condition in the query? Main query, did I apply this condition, guys? That condition is coming automatically or not? It is coming as implicit condition or not? Come on, guys. Is it coming as implicit condition or not? Okay, why I'm not able to display the records? Why I'm not able to display the records? In the database, the records are not there. Blocked, BLOCKED, closed. So I think we have a 2 active records now. Okay, 2 active records, but still not coming. I will tell the reason. I will tell the reason. Table gone wrong. Actually, we have created bank underscore account, but it has created a new table called bank account. It has created new table called bank account. Did you notice that? So that's the reason that is not coming. Now let me map my class with proper one, then problem will not be there. So I'm deleting this one, table drop, apply. Yeah, now we have bank underscore account, guys. Bank underscore account. Where is this? Yeah. Here we have a data and same thing only linked in the mapping file. Okay. Yes, guys. Now you observe. Satisfying this, how many records are there? 2 records. But implicit condition is applied or not applied? Implicit condition is applied or not applied? I want reply, guys. Okay. Fine. Oh. Now, sir, if I add extra condition, okay. Where? Where? Hmm. Where I want to apply some extra condition. What is the extra condition? Where balance, where balance, where balance. Okay, this is HQL now. From where balance greater than or equal to, okay, greater than or equal to AMT. Okay, fine. Query dot set parameter AMT comma AMT comma some, okay, AMT 20,000 AMT 20,000. Fine. What will be applied? End class will be applied. End class will be applied. Class cast exception. Oh, fine, I understood. F is required. Class cast exception. Float now. By default, it will be taken as double constant. See this, from bank account, status not in, and our condition. First implicit condition, then our condition. So any tension, guys? So that means implicit conditions are happening automatically or not there. Did you notice it? Okay. Sir, I don't want to apply this filter condition. What should I do? Very simple, guys. Okay, very simple. Disable filter. How to disable filters are session dot disable filter. There will be so many filters. Which filter you want to disable? Which filter you want to disable? Yes. How to feel whether it is really disabled or not? To feel whether it is really disabled or not, execute the same query one more time. Execute the same query one more time. This time, filter conditions will not be applied. Query 1, query 1, query 1, list 1, list 1, list 1, list 1. Yes, guys. See now, observe. Second time query comes without condition. First time query with condition. Where this status not in. That's why two records. Second time, no status not in. No status not in. That's why all records came. Only balance greater than is applied and it is satisfying all the records. Like this, whenever you want you can enable filter, whenever you want you can disable filter. Now tell me, hibernate filter is looking like global parameterized named condition, looking like that or not there. Now tell me that condition I can apply wherever I want or not. At least you understood the real time scenario. Bank example is the best example. Everyone thoroughly understood this point or not? Okay. So this is about working with filters concept, guys. What concept? Filters concept. So this is the code I just want to paste. This is to enable filter. This is to disable filter. Okay. Now listen, what is this condition? This condition is SQL condition or HQL condition. Whatever condition you write in the mapping file, that is SQL condition. Right. Executes query with the filter condition. Executes query with the filter condition. Executes the query without filter condition. Executes query with filter condition. Executes query without filter condition. I hope you got it. Got it. Global condition. Now tell me. Now that condition is specific to one client or multiple clients. One session object or multiple session objects. One DAO na multiple DAOs na. Everyone, please respond. That means we are able to fill everything or not there. Okay. These are the steps, boss. But now I want to check whether I can apply this filter on native SQL queries or not. Whether I can apply this one on native SQL queries or not. Native SQL. Native SQL. Yes. Native SQL. Here. It is what? Native query. What is this? Native query. Native query. Yeah. create SQL query. Tell me this time. Select star from bank account. Array native query na we generally write in uppercase. Bank account where balance greater than or equal to question mark. Fine. Balance, okay. Bank underscore account. Yes. Table name you should write now. That's why. Fine. Same thing, boss. Same thing. Second time is what? Select star from same query. I want to write one more. Yes, guys. Save it. End of main method. End of class. Save it. Class cast exception. Cannot cast to I will tell it's the entity query na. Entity query result should be mapped with hibernate entity class. Query dot add entity employee bank account dot class semicolon. Remembered all this stuff. Here also query one dot add entity. Yeah, here also what should I take? Native query only. Create SQL query. Yeah, see this? Native SQL is not supporting Hibernate filters. Did you notice it? Does my native SQL supporting Hibernate filters, guys? Does my native SQL supporting Hibernate filters, guys? Not supporting. See this? First time with why sir native SQL queries will go and execute in database software as it is. HQL supports, native SQL does not support. I hope you got this clarity or not. Yes, guys. File save as. Okay, file save as HB filter test HBQBC. Guess it. HBQBC supports filters or not? Padela Sudhakar, class name is not underscore ra babu. Class name is what? Class name is bank account only. You and your thought process. Table name is bank underscore account. Okay. So now I want to check whether HBQBC supports this one or not. Okay. Let's see. How to write QBC logic, boss? Native SQL. Native SQL. Here we are having HBQBC, guys. Here also HBQBC is there. Nice, nice. Blocked, closed. Now, here we'll be having what object here? Criteria object. Criteria is equal to session dot create criteria. Session dot create criteria. Tell me. Bank account dot class. Yeah, it is deprecated. It's a deprecated, we know that. Okay. Next, criteria dot. Now I want to apply some conditions. If you want to apply condition, how to apply condition, boss? Okay, right now no condition, nothing. I just execute pure query. Basic query I want to execute. Criteria dot. Control plus shift plus O. Criteria dot. Here what is the method we are having, guys? Criteria dot list only. Okay, first one is okay. Disable filter. Disable filter. Once again same thing. Once again same thing. Paste. Criteria 1. List 1. List 1. Here also criteria 1. Okay. Yeah, tell me. Supports or not? Supports or not? Array, these are filter level related named parameters, ra babu. Okay, it supports QBC, HB QBC supports first time two records. See, where status not in, status not in, status not in, coming or not coming, status not in, coming or not coming, guys. What do you say? It happily supports. Right now, tell me, JPA QBC supports or not? JPA QBC. JPA QBC. This is JPA QBC. Fine. Right. Here, what will be the big story is there? What is the big story? Execute JPA QBC. Here also JPA QBC. Everyone remembered all this stuff, guys. Okay, JPA QBC. 1 minute. HB QBC. HB QBC. Right, boss? Criteria builder. Criteria builder. What is this? C builder is equal to session dot get criteria builder of. Next, get criteria builder. Criteria query. Criteria query. Tell me. Bank account. CT query is equal to CT query is equal to. Tell me. CT builder dot. CT builder dot. Tell me. Create query. Create query. Bank account dot class. Bank account dot class. Then I have to create root object. Remember all this stuff from where? Root. Uh, root bank account. Root is equal to. Recently we completed all this stuff. CT query dot from. CT query dot from. Come on. CT query dot come. Bank account dot class. Nice. It is not that. It's not that. CT. It's not CT query dot from a CT builder dot from a. What's happening? What's the error? CT query dot from. Oh, root is not imported. Fine. Next one. ct query dot add ct query dot add what is the method here? ct query dot select what object? Root object. Next, array story not over. Query is equal to session dot create query. Session dot create query. Create query. What is this? CT query. CT query. No parameter, nothing, boss. Okay. Control plus shift plus O. Query dot query. Nice. Next, query dot list. No condition is applied, boss. Whether implicit condition is applied or not, I want to check. Prepare JPA QBC logic. Prepare JPA QBC logic. Say paste. I think we can use same query builder. Builder is same. Okay. One root one one query one list one query one list one. Yes. Right now no condition, boss. I want to get all the records. Okay. Select dot root one. Yes, you are right. Right click. Second time all record. First time only two record. That two filter condition is applied. Applied or not? Filter condition is applied or not, guys? Applied. So final conclusion is what, guys? Conclusion. HQL, HB QBC, JPA QBC supports Hibernate filters. Hibernate filters. Whereas native SQL does not support HB filters. Does not support HB filters. I hope you got a clarity there or not there. Okay. Native SQL does not support HB filters. Why? Those queries will go to database software as it is, boss. As it is. No question of further query generation. Understanding my point? Okay. See, in other cases, what happened? When HQL is converted into native SQL, there's a possibility of adding extra things. When Java code is converted into SQL query, there is a possibility of adding extra things in the query. But here, whatever query you prepare, that will go as it is to database software, nothing extra, nothing less. So that's why, so no question of working with what? Filters in native SQL. Because native SQL queries go to database software as it is. Go to database software. HB QBC, JPA QBC, same na sir. Okay, Snehali madam, after attending these many days, if you ask me that question, what can I answer? If it is same, why I taught for multiple days, madam? Okay, one question has come, check it out. Native SQL queries goes to database software as it is without applying much conversions. HB QBC is specific to Hibernate. JPA QBC JPA QBC common for multiple ORM frameworks. Remembered or not? Without applying much conversions. Without applying much conversion. Everyone understood my point? Okay, fine. And HBQBC does not support non-select operation. JPA QBC supports non-select operation. Remember that. And from Hibernate 3 onwards, there is no support for HBQBC. Only support is there for what? JPA QBC. That too they deprecated also. Remembered all this stuff? Still forgotten. Actually deprecated for sorry, SQL support HB filter or not. Guys, are you there in the classroom? Srishail Sharate, I have written statement and you are asking me question. SQL support Hibernate filters or not. Native SQL means what, guys? Native SQL means what, guys? SQL only, na? Just now I have shown practically, I have given everything. Srishail Sharate, you are in which dunya, boys? Native SQL, SQL, not one and the same, huh? Without knowing that only you completed native SQL. Native SQL, one and the same. Why they are named as native SQL also I said. Because they are specific to original database software. They are specific to each database software. Or they are those queries which will be written originally how they are written in database software. So what is your native place? Even though you are currently staying in your new location from so many years, but you have to give your birthplace are not there. Though after coming to Hibernate, you learn n number of techniques, but in native, while working with the native SQL queries, you will write original queries that are supported by database software. That's the reason they are named as what? Native SQL queries. Annotation driven HB filters. Annotation driven HB filters. Yes. Filter defs @filter defs. Okay. @filter def to define filter HB filters. @filter @filters @filter to prepare filter condition. To define HB filters. HB filter. Now listen. @filter defs @filters or container annotations to hold @filter def comma @filter annotation for multiple times. Okay, but not required from Hibernate 4.x 4.x because because @filter, comma @filters, @filter def are given as, are given as, come on, are given as what annotations? Repeatable annotations. Okay, repeatable annotation. Java 8 feature was. Remember earlier also we studied this point. Everyone understood this one. Earlier also we studied this point. Remember this, guys? Guys, did you remember this? So there is no need of working with this. So we can happily work with this. Okay, let me convert same example into annotation driven example. HB pros 49no. Sorry, 50no. Hibernate filters. 50no. No need of changing any settings.xml, nothing, just copy paste, that is enough. Just copy paste, that is enough, guys. Okay, I'll share both the things, don't worry. Okay. Properties alternate Java 13. Actually, I have to set right my compiler, then this red mark also will go off, not a problem. Yes, I want to work with annotations, guys. So when you want to work with annotation, first thing and you have to do is delete this one. When you delete this one, okay, you have got filter def and filter tags gone. Right. Bank account dot Java. How to make it as entity class, guys? @entity. Okay, fine. How to map a certain table was name bank underscore account. Name bank underscore account. Safe. @entity @table name is equal to bank underscore account. Fine. Okay. Next. At the rate. Come on, guys. Filter def. Now, right now, it is a repeatable annotation. I keep on saying that statement. Okay, missing attributes, we will write it, but you look at the code, it is a repeatable annotation. What annotation? Repeatable annotation. Okay. @ID, fine, let it be. Next, @generated value. @generated value. Okay, fine. Now I have to write a filter condition. What is the filter condition, boss? HB underscore filter underscore status. Okay. HB underscore filter underscore bank account, and oh, I have to take same name, boss, and then only I can execute all my client application. Bank underscore, what is the name I have given in the previous example? Bank account, bank underscore account. Okay, status. Yes, boss. But I have to define parameter. Don't forget that. Okay. I have to define parameter. Don't forget that. So we have another thing called parameters. It's an array type. It's an array type. Okay. It's an array type. Okay, fine. @parameter def. @parameter def. @parameter def. Type and name. You have to write for type and name. 1 minute. Parameter definition, parameter name. Parameter def. @parameter def. Okay, at the rate parameter def. At the rate parameter def. Tell me, name should be allowed, but it is not allowing name. Okay, account type 1, comma, type is equal to string. Type is equal to string. Right. This is for one parameter. That's nice. But I want to do for two parameters. Now, how to do it for two parameters, guys? Yes, repeat it. Yes. At the rate param def, name is equal to account type to string. Array over, annotation over. Array over, annotation over. Easy. Come on, guys. Same. This is alternate to filter def tag. This is alternate to name attribute. This is alternate to subtags. Subtags. Filter param name is equal to, it is like alternate to filter param tag. Name is equal to this, type is equal. Again, name is equal to this, type is equal. Everyone got it? But if you write filter definition not sufficient, boss, we have to apply filter condition also. Filter. Now tell me now. Filter name is equal to, what's the name of the filter we decided to take? Status. Condition. What is there? Condition. Tell me. Status not in. Status not in. Status not in. Colon. Account type 1. Colon. Account type 2. Colon account type 1, comma, account type 2. Colon account type 1, comma, account type 2. Yes, parameters are over. Here we have to close it. Right, filter definition is over. Filter condition is also done. Okay, nice. So go to utility class, guys. Go to utility class. This time no mapping file. So what is this? CFZ dot add class, huh? Add class only, na? Add class, add annotated class, huh? Okay. Add annotated class, bank account dot class. Bank account dot class. That's it, guys. So main part is this. I hope everyone understood this one here. Annotation inside annotation, boss. This is already annotation. While writing values to certain parameters, sub annotations are given. So parameter def to define filter parameter, boss. Parameter def to define filter parameters. Parameter def. Param def or parameter def. Param def to define filter parameter. Param def to define filter parameter. Everyone understood my point? This is alternate to filter def tag. This is alternate to filter parameter tag. So this is alternate to filter tag itself. Filter tag itself. Once all these are done, let's check one by one. HQL Supports are not definitely same theory. Theory will not change here because of annotations. First two, then four. That means supporting. Native SQL test. Native SQL test. Not supporting. Array, theory will not change because of annotations. Okay. QBC. QBC supports. First two, then four. And JPA QBC also support, you try on your own. I think everyone enjoyed Hibernate filters, especially the use cases, guys. The use case is awesome. The use case I discussed is very, very crucial, right? I hope everyone thoroughly understood the use case of this. Yes. This is to define a filter. This is to prepare filter condition. This is to prepare filter condition. I think everyone understood this point. And this name must match. What name you have taken, filter definition, same thing. Now, both filter def and filter annotations are repeatable annotation. Since they are repeatable annotation, no need of taking old annotation, filter defs plural, filters plural. Not required. Nowadays, not required. Understanding my statement, guys? With this, we completed Hibernate filters. So tomorrow when we meet, we will start soft deletion here. Tomorrow, no class. Next class will be on Monday. I'm busy with the spring MVC students, boss. Once that is over, I will conduct your classes on Sundays. Okay. Thank you. Next class will be on Monday. I think you enjoyed this one. Right. Okay. This month end weekend, 30, 31st mostly. 30, 31st mostly, you will be having a workshop on code debugging and code review. Code debugging and code review. Saturday, Sunday is 31st first, 30th first. 31st first, okay. On 31st and first, we'll be having workshop on code review, code debugging and review. Thank you, guys. When we meet in tomorrow's class, we will discuss about soft deletion.